Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY a bald cap. It's very easy. I'm going to show you two different ways with products you absolutely have lying around at home. All you're going to need for this is plastic wrap, which you can probably find in your kitchen, and a plastic grocery bag or garbage bag. Let's get into it. Okay, so first off, you're gonna need to slick your hair back. So luckily my hair, I haven't washed it in a couple days, so I'll have free slick. If your hair is not greasy like mine or not slicked, you're gonna need some type of gel or just spray a little bit of water. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of water as well. You're gonna brush it back. The smoother you have your hair, the smoother the application for the bald cap will go on. What I'm gonna do is twist my hair a couple times and then try to lay it as flat as I can. I'm just taking some bobby pins and I'm going to secure the hair into place. So I got my plastic wrap here. Plastic wrap, it obviously likes to cling together. When we apply this, you just want to make sure you have the end and it's not twisted over each other. So see right here, I don't know if you can see, but it's stuck to each other. So I want to take that off. I'm going to take whatever adhesive you have and apply it to the perimeter of your face. You're going to need liquid latex, spirit gum, or prosaid, or eyelash glue. So any of those adhesives will work. Now that I have the plastic wrap, I'm going to get that solid edge. I'm just going to stick it right in place. It does get a little bit tricky to work with the plastic here because it really likes to fold on itself. Okay, and I forgot to mention the prosaid that I'm using is the Ben Nye prosaid. Just start to pull it from the back and make sure everything is smooth. Twisting the back side just like my hair. And I just took a bobby pin and just pushed it right through the back. So once you have it down to how you like it, then you're just gonna take whatever type of adhesive you have and go over the seams and just try to blend out the edges into your skin. Once you did a couple layers and it's dry, now you can go ahead, take your regular foundation, and we're gonna place it all over the plastic. After that, you're just gonna take a brush and set it with some translucent powder. Majority of the time, I don't use this bald cap for a realistic look. Mostly it's for like my creative makeup looks, so it doesn't really have to be too perfect. So there you go, there is the bald cap. Like I said, it's not 100% realistic, but it's definitely quick, easy, and affordable. Super cheap. This would cost you, what, like a couple dollars? Really, the most expensive thing is gonna be the adhesive. Other thing too, if you do have dark hair, you probably wanna double up with the plastic. Instead of putting one layer down, you can wait and then go ahead and put one more layer on top as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then I'll show you another way that we can do a bald cap. Next way, if you don't have plastic wrap and you are in a pinch, you could just use a plastic garbage bag, grocery bag, whatever you have. It could really be any color. Again, it depends on what type of cosplay or what type of makeup you're going for. For the garbage bag here, what I'm going to do is cut like a little moon shape into it. So I'm also going to cut open the bottom here. So I'm just gonna gather it together, cut off about maybe, I don't know, 2 inches from the bottom. Same thing here, you could just take your foundation if you wanted to match your skin or any type of body paint or color and apply it onto the bald cap. So I'll just quickly show you that again. That is it. This is with the plastic bag, and just to show you what the back looks like. Wah, wah, wah. So that's the back side. I mean, you could take foundation or whatever color you're using and extend it all the way to the back, but that is not going to look realistic, but that's okay. That's not the point of this tutorial. This is just a very basic in a pinch tutorial. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. Did you like the plastic wrap or the garbage bag? I mean, honestly, it's the exact same thing. They're both plastic. That's it, guys. If you did enjoy this tutorial and if you want to help support me as a creator, don't forget you can like this video, leave a comment. I always check those. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can subscribe. I do try to post every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.